What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be taking this F150 oval badge and giving it a custom paint job. It's going to be awesome.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
All right, guys, coat number 2. Guys, the final coats have been applied. We are gonna let these guys dry for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we're gonna start hitting it with some clear coat. All right, guys, the final coat, a clear coat, has been applied. They are looking real nice. This thing is gonna look awesome when it gets reassembled. All right, guys, it's the next day. Everything is all dried off and ready to go. We're gonna get some glue. We are gonna reassemble these badges and we'll show you guys the finished product.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person.
And there you guys have it. This thing looks so stinking cool. Imagine all the different possibilities with color combinations that you could put on one of these things to either color match your truck or give your truck a nice splash of color, a really cool custom look. If you guys are wondering about this process, I will be posting an entire full-length video from start to finish showing every single step along the way to take your badges from normal to awesome, just like this. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.